Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So I have some time, always have some time. And I came to this place and just out of boredom. And it always happily surprised me. Let's see the outfit of the day. A little bit yellow, green. And that is it. Look at this place, it's so cute. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is the post office of Los Gatos. And it feels quite a historic place. Let's take a look in. Oh, it's open. Oh, wow. This post mailbox looks so. How many years has it been in this place? It looks so unique, don't you think so? I like to come here to discover something new, something different. And I think post office is one of the very, very unique and historical establishment. Even in Qing Dynasty, that's about 200 years ago or 300 years ago, there were international law about the international mailing agreement and international law that make sure that the male person will not be endangered for sending mails. I think that is called International Postal Protocol, and 大清邮政. I know the Chinese. So 两国相争不杀使者. So the two countries, no matter you have fighting or whatever problem, we do not kill or hurt the envoy. And a lot of time, the post office is a very unique government office, and the designated postmaster was designated by the president sometimes. Yeah, let's do an outfit of the day since there is nobody here. Look at it. Outside is a very nice park. Okay, the buildings here have some unique flair. Don't you think so? Let's take a look at each of them. And that building, look at it. I like this a little bit protruding tower. Not too tall, not feel dangerous, but it adds a little bit of the interest into this architect, and that looks like such a fine design. Now here, with some of the motifs on the door and painting on it, you feel time, you feel a story behind it, don't you think so? Look at it. And let's take a look at this building style. It's quite functional, and the top of it adds a little bit of interest into this structure. Don't you think so? So here are some of these some random little business, and not random, the business, and it looks quite cool here, right? Usually we do not notice, but I noticed this is quite convenient for people to pass by wheelchair or young children's booster. It's quite a very well thought of, and a lot of wine tasting rooms. So that Tango is a wine tasting room. I have a particular love affair with bridge, and here there is a bridge, but under the bridge is not water. It's crossing a little bit of valley of downstairs, a highway bridge, and people coming back from weekend travel Sunday afternoon. So this direction has a lot of people, otherwise the other direction. And that Purple Onion restaurant has been here for a long time. I forgot how long it is, 10, 20 years maybe, that Purple Onion. And Purple Onion Cafe, maybe we should go inside to take a look. Is that opening? Open. Okay, let's try it. It's kind of a small independent restaurant. Opalia, and there are some restaurants here on this side of the streets, and looks quite bon vivant feel, right? Oh, this is so beautiful, this. Yes, another time I will come here. Look at this design, and it's very well planned. And as I came in, there was I was taking picture. There was another person behind. He was waiting behind, so I was very surprised and asked, "Do you work here?" And he actually worked here. And here is the business card. Maybe we will come another time. Turkish restaurant. Here is the Southern Kitchen. Maybe this is the not time to open, but having a dinner or lunch or cup of coffee feels quite a bourgeoisie feel, right? Champagne bar. Oh, this is so So nice. And that is a Vietnamese banh mi, Vietnamese sandwich. Okay, now let's take a look. And this one is a garden hotel. Look at it, it looks so fun and looks very different from the big building, tall building hotel. And sometimes have a change, have something different, unique. Should be good. And this is kind of a side street and some residential, old residential living quarter, and that is in front of us. That is an office compound, and even further, this is Forbes Mill. Is a traditional place. The Forbes Mill Museum. Oh, let's go to that museum, take a look. And I think it's closed. I have been here one time. And the old building. And on this side is the museum, the new museum, Los Gatos New Museum of Art and modern art, local artists, and a library sales office. And on that side is the library, one of the better library. It's bright, newly built, and very spacious. Isn't it cool, this place? Here is the local residential area, and it's inside these mountains and the creeks, and built with a lot of wood that blended into the red wood. Here is the museum. I do not know whether they are open. I heard they've been closed for some time. Here is the Forbes Mill, and one of the most important and historical establishment of this place. It mills wheats and grains, and is use the water here. There is a creek, so that's the reason this place established, become an important agricultural commerce center. Along the creek, it passes through the downtown area, and it leads you to a reservoir, to a big lake. I think 5-10 years ago, our family has biked here, and we enjoyed very, very much. And we biked around this road with good shade, green trees, and just so unique and so soothing. Outside, just on our side, you can see the car passing, but this is like a paradise. It's like at least it's like something that you can enclose yourself into. Sometimes finding this kind of place is it's cool, it's rewarding, and very fun. This mural is no graffiti, so good, so very good. This piece of land used to be like this. Native people living here with trees. Tiger? Is there tiger? Oh, that must be a coyote or mountain lion. And black bear. So I get into this little corner. There are a lot of this kind of courtyard, and this is office for rent. Looks so cool. How beautiful. Okay, so I give up the idea of there are always some sounds better or stronger than my sound. So I give up the idea of an outfit of the day and just enjoy a little bit of a quiet time here. And I know I made effort to look okay, to look my best. Yeah, that's it. You enjoy your beautiful afternoon. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.